Yeah, hello students and the viewers. Today's topic is our kinds of sentences. In the previous two classes, I taught you the simple structure of simple sentences, then compound sentence, then complex sentence. So today our topic is complex sentence. Okay. So these three types of sentences are three types of, as per their structures are concerned, we get in three forms: simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. The complex sentences are really complex, okay, and we use them in sentences. Simple sentences are very simple, single subject, then main verb, object, okay. Then you can make, suppose if I ask you, please tell me your daily routine work, then you are using all simple present tense, simple sentences. I get up early in the morning, then I go for a morning walk, I come back. In sequence you are telling all these. Similarly, tell me your yesterday's timetable, then also you are telling in this way, simple past tense. Okay, yesterday I got up early, then I went for a morning walk, okay, I came back, I got fresh. Whatever you are making in sequence, all these are called simple sentences. Then comes your compound sentence. In compound sentence, what happens? You are using seven conjunctions are there in compound sentences: and, but, so, because, since, while. In this way, all the conjunctions we use to make compound sentences. Compound sentences are also useful, but most useful sentences are there in complex sentence. Okay, now see, today I am telling you, I am giving you a very important hints ki how can we make complex sentences with the WS family members. WS family members, you know, what, where, when, why, who, whom, which, all these are WS family members. So how can we join with a simple, this is simple sentence. I know, for example, I know is your called principal clause also. It gives us complete sensation. इसे हमें complete sense मिलता है इससे. ये जो part है, this part we don't get the complete sensation. What is the conjunction? You, subject, and want is main verb. That is subordinating conjunction. All these are called subordinating conjunction. WS families, they play various roles. बहुत सारे role play करते हैं ये. Question बनाना है, where are you going? What do you want? Any question, we use this WS family members. The same WS family members we are using as subordinating conjunction in a complex sentence. Understood? In a complex sentence, these are complex sentences. You see the sense. I know what you want. मैं जानता हूँ आप क्या चाहते हो. Right? I know is simple present tense. What you want, that is also simply present. What is the conjunction? You, subject, want, main verb. Here you see subject, conjunction, subject, main verb. Object may be there, may not be there. I know what you wanted yesterday. Possible? मैं जानता हूँ आप क्या चाहते थे. Past tense. So ये present, past, future, any tense may come. Similarly, thereafter, I know where. Now another WS family, where. मैं जानता हूँ where you live. आप कहाँ रहते हो. I know where you live. आप कहाँ रहते हो. I know where you lived earlier. आप कहाँ रहते थे. I know where you will live. कहाँ रहोगे. किसी भी tense, even continuous tense also, where you are living now. So this is fixed. This part we can change. Any WS family we can use. Are you getting? Yeah. Now suppose when. I know, मैं जानता हूँ. When he goes to office, वो कब ऑफिस जाता है. When, time. Where, place. What, thing. When he goes, कब ऑफिस जाता है. Why she does not go to office, वो ऑफिस क्यों नहीं जाती है. Why, I know, मैं जानता हूँ. Why she doesn't go to office. देखो इसमें हर एक सिस्टम, it is fully okay, pattern, system is there. Disorder, nothing is written disorder. First of all, conjunction, WS family, you see WS family, this conjunction. Then comes subject, you, he, she, any subject. Then finite verb, main verb, you see. In this way, any WS family you can, as per our requirements are concerned. हमें क्या होता है कई बार sometimes you want to deliver a speech देना चाहते हो. So always simple sentences don't work. Okay, complex situations are there. Present comes with past, past with present. So that is why it is these complex sentences are necessary. Okay, so these complex sentences are of three types. Three kinds of sentences are there. Three types. One is your noun. This is your noun clause. All these are called noun clause. Then adjective clause. Then adverb clause. Three types of clauses are there. These clauses are very, very useful both in written English as well as in spoken English. Now you see all the WH families. Principal clause is same, but we are using all the WH families here. How I know why she doesn't go to office? Why she did not go to office yesterday? Why she will not go to office tomorrow? कोई भी टेंस में आप उसको यूज कर सकते हो. ये प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज, दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज. प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज में अगर यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पुट किया जाए व्हाट, आई नो व्हाट, मैं जानता हूँ, क्या जानते हो? व्हाट ही यू वांट. आई नो व्हाट, क्या जानते हो? व्हाट यू वांट, आप क्या चाहते हो, ये मैं जानता हूँ. आई नो व्हाट वेयर यू लिव, आप क्या जानते हो, आप कहाँ रहते हो, वो मैं जानता हूँ. आई नो व्हाट व्हेन ही गोज टू ऑफिस, वो कब ऑफिस जाती है, वो मैं जानता हूँ. आई नो व्हाट व्हाई शी डजंट गो टू ऑफिस, वो ऑफिस क्यों नहीं जाती है. ओके. आई नो व्हाट, क्या जानते हो, आई नो व्हाट हाउ शी वर्क्स हार्ड, वो कितने कड़ी मेहनत करती है. आई नो व्हाट विच फूड शी लाइक्स, वो कौन सी खाना वो पसंद करती है. आई नो व्हाट whom she likes, वो किसे पसंद करती है. सो इन दिस वे प्रिंसिपल इज सेम, प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज इज सेम. सबऑर्डिनेटिंग, दीज आर सबऑर्डिनेटिंग नाउन क्लॉज. तो जितने भी प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज हम और भी पॉसिबल है बनाएंगे, तो इसी तरह कोई भी WH फैमिली से हम किसी भी टेंस को जोड़ सकते हैं. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट. ओके. then sensible meaning will be there. Whatever you are making the sentence, system is there, process is there. Accordingly, if you make ऐसा अगर बनाते हो तो that sentence is sensible, meaningful. Okay, so this is your complex sentence structure, and this clause is called noun clause. Remember, इसे अगर आप academically if you need, जो academic questions होते हैं इंस्टीट्यूट्स में पढ़ाया जाता है, वहाँ पे क्लॉज पढ़ाया जाता है. फॉर स्पोकन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हमें सिर्फ सेंटेंस बनाना है, हमें स्पोकन इंग्लिश के लिए. ओके, यू वांट टू मेक ए सेंसिबल सेंटेंस दैट यू कैन मेक एज आई रोट ओवर हियर. वेरी केयरफुल यू कैन फॉलो इट, देयर आफ्टर यू कैन यूज इन योर डे टू डे लाइफ. जैसे कोई बहस करना, कोई बहस ही नहीं है, ओनली टू डिलीवर स्पीच, तो एट दैट टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस आर देयर. Okay, you can use in this way. Okay, see in the next class.